Meditation, balance, these are all good things. But this all falls under the category of Chan, meditation. Very important. You need to have a way of staying centered and staying balanced. If life was a spa event, then doing meditation-focused Tai Chi would be smart. But life is not a spa event. It doesn't occur in a spa. So if you only have spa skills of relaxation, right, it's going to leave you very challenged in times of uncertainty and stress, change, conflict, right? You need a system that has both sides. Woo. Woo isn't just like go beat somebody up. Woo without Chan is just as limited as Chan without Woo. Fighting applications without relationships, respect, culture is as dangerous in one way as meditation and relaxation without any martial power, because life itself is an extension beyond the current conditions to keep on growing. So when we're in the class, right, we're doing the Monday, Friday, 3 o'clock class, we focus on this form primarily, right? Okay, so now, I want you to see that it's not just meditation. It's also a power. You follow? So we train these things so that we are able to grow even in difficult times, right? And carry ourselves with respect and Wuda, martial virtue. So this system is also designed as an energy charging system. Shifu was the first person I'd ever met who, it took me a long time to figure the words for this, was what I now call energy independent. It means that he's able to maintain his energy through conflict and adversity and change independently of the circumstances. I just wanted you to see these pieces and have a greater sense of what this lineage is, a little bit more of the background, and to see some of the things that I don't really go into during the class because it's not the time or place for it. So, if you're interested in exploring more, you can check us out, thefiremountainschool.com. Follow us on Huashan Shifu on Instagram. Good luck in your training. Keep adding energy. And thank you for watching another Shifu snippet. One last one for the road. So if you're curious about the lineage a little bit further, you'd like to see for yourself who Master Tian is, he has a YouTube channel, Master Tian Wang. We'll put the link below. You can go check out his videos and you can see who my Shifu is, who the Grand Shifu of the school is, and what I'm teaching, where I get it from. I studied with Shifu Tian, I still do, for 8 years now. It's been quite a ride, but go look for yourself. See if you notice anything is different about Master Wang's Tai Chi, and let me know what you think. All right.